Today we are here in West Summerlin. We're going to be checking out one of KB Home's newest townhouse communities. Now behind me we have the Plan 1809. You're going to want to see this. Don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is May 28, 2025, and today we're here at Groves at Caldwell Park by KB Homes here in the highly desired West Summerlin. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this area, West Summerlin, we're about 25 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip, okay? Great master plan community. Guys, West Summerlin, this is one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. Now, you're gonna have plenty of things to do around here. It's a great master plan community. You have Red Rock Canyon, you're close to shopping centers, you're close to the freeway, so easy access to get to places. Overall, just great for family, guys. So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 6 different floor plans. They're all 2-story townhomes ranging from 1430 square feet all the way up to 1947 square feet, okay? Now, when you're looking at the base price, just so you know, lot premiums and upgrades are not included, okay? So you do have to factor those into your total price. On average, the lot premiums are gonna range between $1 to $35,000 for the lot premium, okay? Now, the upgrades are going to range from typically about $20,000 to $25,000 is what most buyers are putting in. Also, that's what KB Homes is. When they're making spec homes, they're putting about $20,000 or $25,000, okay? Now, also too, when you see those base prices on the screen, the base price will depend on a couple of different things, guys, because you're gonna have different lots, right? Some lots are gonna have a 5 feet deep driveway. Others, you're gonna have a regular sized driveway, okay? So that will be in your base price as well as the elevation. So the builders choose what elevation, they pre-select the elevations for every townhome like unit. And depending on what it is, your base price will be higher or lower, okay? Now here at KB Homes, they do have a mixture of spec homes as well as building from ground up. So because they just opened up this community, they have quite a few spec homes right now. The benefits about the spec homes is they'll close a lot sooner. If you're interested in just picking out all your options, then KB's usually going to offer more of the build from ground up, okay? Now, as far as the HOA is concerned, the HOA is $175 a month. The master plan is $60 a month, and you do have a SID assessment, guys. So the SID, you pay $340.33 semi-annually, okay? So every 6 months. So if you total all that together, you're looking about $295 a month, okay? Now what that's gonna include, the maintenance of the area, it's gonna include the exterior paint, the roof, that's all gonna be included, as well as, all the amenities that Summerlin offers as well, okay? So the parks close by and all that. Now they will have 131 townhomes here, and if you build from ground up, it takes about 6 to 7 months to build. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome everyone to the 1809 floor plan. Now this floor plan is 1809 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Now this unit can be an interior unit or it can be an end unit, okay? So there's a couple of base prices that they have for this unit if you build from ground up. So if you're looking for this plan and don't mind an interior unit, well, the base price is $434,900, and that's with a 5 feet deep driveway. Now, if you want to go with a lot with a regular size driveway, it's going to be a $454,990. Okay, again, that's for the interior unit. Now, if you want an end unit 1809 floor plan with a 5 feet driveway, it's $444,990. And if you are looking for the regular driveway size, it's going to be $464,990. Okay. Now, just know prices are subject to change, guys. Okay. Usually, the more they sell homes, the higher the base prices will be for the next lot. Okay. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So your desert landscaping up front will be included. This paver entryway. So as you can see here, because this is the end unit, you have this nice little hangout area right over there. Okay, you also got a hose bib. See, we got 3 windows. Now we got an 8-foot door. Okay, so welcome in, guys. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Nice and open. Because this is Summerlin, they offer 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor, which is standard. Any other KB community that's not in Summerlin, that would be like an upgrade. Okay. So here, guys, I will show you. This is going to be the powder room to your right. Okay. Don't mind all the wallpaper there. Okay, so you got your pedestal sink, you have your toilet. You guys, so the interior designers, I guess a lot of agents had a lot to say with the designing here, but they're calling it like grandma millennial type of design. Okay, so nice open living area right here. You have your dining room and then your kitchen. Okay. See, one thing that's really nice about end units is you're going to have like all the windows here as well as to the side. So you're going to allow for more natural light to come in. Okay, so right here, you're going to have your coat closet, smart panel box. This is how you connect your internet router and your modem. And then you do have some storage space right here. So, you know, looks like you could store your Christmas tree or just, you know, any other belongings that you'd want to store. All right, so take a look at this kitchen. This is a really spacious kitchen, okay, especially for a townhome, as well as this nice large island. Okay, now the quartz is upgraded right here, but yeah, standard. You're gonna have the 42-inch cabinets, which is nice. That's something they only include in the Summerlin KB communities. Okay. As far as the appliances go, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included, but you will have the Whirlpool. You'll get a microwave, the oven, stovetop, as well as the dishwasher right there. Now it looks like this is the dual basin. I believe this is standard right here. And this is, I'm pretty sure that's optional right there. Okay. But yeah. Okay. Cool. You got this dishwasher here. This is a standard dishwasher that you'll receive. Okay. Cool. Nice cabinets. Okay. So you've got your pantry right here. Look over here. Oh, oh, okay. Cool. So we've got this room right here. What's that here? Okay, so we'll check out the second floor. Okay. Oh, by the way, though, too, if you're curious to know what's an upgrade in this specific model, you could go ahead and pause right there. This will let you know everything that is upgraded. Okay. Cool. So like this is upgraded right here. You have the white mission style railing. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Feels very spacious. You have a landing step right here. Now, if you guys are watching this video and you have been watching some new construction tours, and you know, you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out through the process. But if you have a realtor too, that's okay. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because once you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, your phone number, email. Now, once they have that, then it's going to be pretty hard to get you some representation. Now, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So that's why it's always important to get yourself some representation. Okay. Nice, see? Look at that, we're all the way up here in West Summerlin, really close to the mountains over here. But yeah, so I'm definitely, this is what they're talking about when they say the granny millennial vibes. Okay, yeah, a lot of wallpaper. Got that retro old school look. The ceilings up here is going to be 9-foot ceilings. Okay. You have transfer grills right there, helps regulate the airflow. You're going to have also the smoke detectors in each room, and then a CO2/smoke detector in the hallways. Okay. We also have your attic access up there. So this is your other bedroom. Okay. Interesting twin size bed. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the interior designing in the comments below. Should they have made it more modern? Do you think this look is pretty cool? Let me know your thoughts. Okay. Now, right over here, you're going to have your full bath that the 2 bedrooms are going to share. So you'll have dual sinks, okay? Toilet, your shower tub, fiberglass. Okay, this countertop right here is actually standard. I would say a lot of buyers actually just stick with the standard countertop for the bathroom, which is quartz. Okay. Nice, you have your linen closet. Now welcome to the primary bedroom. All right. Okay, so this is gonna be your walk-in closet. So take a look over here, guys. Okay, from here, you could see the strip. Now, you know, they're not gonna, none of these homes are gonna promise guarantee strip views. But yeah, I mean, we are pretty high up here in West Summerlin. Okay, got nice 2 windows there, another one right there. Okay, so the primary bath. So this actually, this would be an upgrade in most KB communities. That's not at Summerlin, but this is going to be standard here for this walk-in shower, which is really nice. So again, yeah, most buyers, once they do all the upgrades, because there's so much standard features, I mean, nice standard features, I think buyers are usually putting in about 20 to 25,000 altogether, which is not bad. In a house like this, it would either easily be like 35, 40. But again, the standard features are a lot nicer here in Summerlin. So, all right, that wraps it up for the Plan 1809. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you guys are have any questions, curious to know what the incentives are, you're looking for an agent who's very experienced with new construction homes, guys, just give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.